Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll apply a trained deep learning-based classification model on some images. This is called Inference. For this, I adapted the last program in this HDevelop example series on HALCON classification. First, we set Use Pre-trained Model to false to instead use the model we trained in the previous tutorials. Then, you are free to choose a device on which to perform the inference, regardless of whether you ran the training on a GPU or a CPU. Note that you can further optimize your model, for example with TensorRT, or by pruning it. Next, note the variable batch size inference. During inference, you'll usually acquire single images with a camera. The memory and time requirements of apply-DL model are highly dependent on the batch size. Therefore, we recommend setting the batch size used during inference as low as reasonable, based on the number of images subjected to the model simultaneously. Let's go to the part of the example where the images for the inference are read. Of course, this could alternatively be a grab image call if you're acquiring an image from a camera instead of reading them from a file. The first step is to generate a DL sample from this image using the standard procedure. Next, we pre-process the DL sample in the same way we did for the training. Lastly, we can apply the trained model on the sample. As output, we get a DL result dictionary. This dictionary lists the classes and class IDs sorted by the resulting confidences. In the end, we use the procedure dev display DL data to visualize the result. This concludes this tutorial. Now, using the provided HDevelop examples, you should be able to develop your own classification application with MVTec HALCON. Thank you for watching.